When it comes to healthy aging, glowing skin, strong joints, and a youthful appearance, one nutrient stands above the rest: collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, and is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, joint flexibility, and even gut health. Yet, after the age of 25, our natural collagen production begins to decline, leading to visible signs of aging, brittle nails, wrinkles, and joint stiffness. Get ready to uncover the one underrated collagen-rich food that could change your health, beauty, and energy from the inside out. 1. The hidden power of chicken skin, a natural collagen goldmine. When most people think about collagen-rich foods, their minds go straight to powders, pills, or maybe bone broth. But what's often overlooked, even thrown away, is one of nature's most collagen-rich, affordable, and accessible sources: chicken skin. Yes, the same crispy skin people often avoid, for fear of fat, is actually loaded with type I and type 3 collagen, which are the exact types that make up our skin, ligaments, bones, and joints. 2. Why chicken skin beats most collagen supplements: naturally potent and absorbable. In today's market flooded with collagen powders and capsules, it's easy to assume supplements are the best solution. But here's what many manufacturers won't tell you: not all collagen is created equal. Most supplements go through heavy processing, often using artificial sweeteners, flavors, and preservatives. And even then, your body may not fully absorb them, especially if they're taken without proper cofactors, like fat or vitamin C. Chicken skin, on the other hand, offers collagen in its most natural bioavailable form. This means your body can more easily recognize, digest, and utilize it. It's food-based, complete with its natural fats and minerals, which significantly improve absorption. In fact, when collagen is consumed in its whole food form, such as through slow-cooked or crispy chicken skin, it delivers not only the collagen itself, but also the amino acids, fats, and nutrients your body needs to process it efficiently. 3. Chicken skin versus bone broth. Bone broth has long been the poster child for collagen, and while it's still beneficial, chicken skin offers a higher collagen density per gram and doesn't require hours of simmering to extract it. A crispy roasted chicken thigh, with the skin on, delivers immediate collagen and amino acid benefits in a delicious, convenient way. 4. The skin glow effect. The type I collagen found in chicken skin is the same type that makes up 80% of your skin structure. Consuming it regularly can improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and give your complexion a hydrated, youthful glow. Unlike creams that treat from the outside, chicken skin feeds your skin from the inside, where real transformation happens. 5. Joint health and mobility. Joint pain, stiffness, and arthritis are often caused by a breakdown of cartilage, which is made largely of collagen. The glycine and proline found in chicken skin help rebuild joint cartilage, reduce inflammation, and increase flexibility. It's like oil for your joints, keeping you mobile and active as you age. 6. Stronger hair, nails, and teeth. Collagen is the foundation for keratin production, which your body needs to grow thick, shiny hair and strong nails. The natural collagen and nutrients in chicken skin also support dental health by strengthening gums and preventing gum recession, something supplements rarely achieve on their own. 7. Gut healing properties. Collagen plays a major role in gut lining integrity. If you suffer from bloating, leaky gut, or digestive discomfort, the gelatin in chicken skin helps seal and repair the intestinal wall, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. It acts like a healing balm for your digestive system. 8. Balancing hormones. Naturally collagen-rich foods, like chicken skin, help regulate cortisol levels and support hormone production. The amino acid glycine promotes better sleep, reduces anxiety, and improves overall hormone balance, especially important for women in perimenopause and menopause. 9. Weight loss and appetite control. Surprisingly, the healthy fats and collagen in chicken skin help keep you satiated longer, which can prevent overeating and sugar cravings. Collagen slows down digestion and supports lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts metabolism. It's not just about beauty, it's about full body wellness. 10. How to eat it for maximum benefit. The best way to enjoy chicken skin is to cook it slow and low, roasted, grilled, or air-fried, for a crisp finish. Avoid deep frying or burning it, as that can destroy nutrients. Pair it with vitamin C-rich vegetables, like bell peppers, kale, or lemon juice to supercharge collagen production in the body. Aim for 2-3 servings a week to start seeing results in your skin, joints, and energy. 11. Collagen's role in detox and liver health. You may not associate collagen with detox, but the glycine found abundantly in chicken skin plays a critical role in supporting your liver, the body's primary detox organ. Glycine is necessary for the production of glutathione, your body's most powerful antioxidant, which detoxifies heavy metals, alcohol, and other toxins. Without enough glycine, your liver struggles to neutralize harmful substances, leading to fatigue, skin breakouts, and slow metabolism. 12. Affordable and accessible nutrition. Unlike collagen powders, marine extracts, or specialty supplements that can cost a fortune and come with a long list of artificial additives, chicken skin is both affordable and accessible. You don't need a fancy supplement routine to boost your collagen intake, just a well-prepared piece of chicken with the skin on. Whether you buy thighs, drumsticks, or whole chickens, you're getting the benefits without the price tag. For families on a budget, this is a simple, cost-effective way to improve everyone's skin, joint, and immune health. 13. The forgotten wisdom of ancestral diets. Our ancestors instinctively knew that these parts of the animal were medicinal, restorative, and nourishing. They didn't strip away the skin or throw out the bones, they cooked with them, extracting every ounce of nutrient possible. Today's modern fat-phobic culture has discarded these practices, and in doing so, we've lost many of the health benefits our ancestors enjoyed. By reintroducing foods like chicken skin into your diet, you're reclaiming that ancestral wisdom and giving your body the building blocks it needs to thrive naturally. Chicken skin may not be the trendy superfood on everyone's list, but it absolutely should be. This underrated collagen-rich powerhouse delivers benefits that go far beyond skin deep. From firmer skin and shinier hair to stronger joints and a healthier gut, chicken skin proves that sometimes the best solutions are the ones hiding in plain sight. So next time you're cooking a meal, don't toss the skin, embrace it. Your body, your skin, and your health will thank you. It's time we stop fearing fat and start celebrating real nourishing foods that offer beauty and vitality from within.